In today's tutorial, we will discuss how to read barcodes in PDF using Iron software. All right, so as per the requirements, I'm assuming that you already have IronBarcode installed. So let's go ahead and go to the program CS file. So firstly, we're using IronBarcode namespace, which is the library we need to read barcodes. Next, we create a list of integers to represent the page numbers of the PDF where we want to scan for barcodes. So in this case, we're scanning pages 1, 2, and 3. Then we create the instance of the PDF barcode reader options class, and we're passing our page numbers list to the constructor. And we've also set the DPI, or the dots per inch, to 150, and this helps us adjust the resolution. The scale property is set to 3.5, which affects the size of the barcode being read. So in addition, there's some other properties that we can set. We set the speed property to reading speed.detail to ensure that we have a detailed reading of the barcode. We specified the expect barcode types to be QR code, meaning we're expecting to read QR codes. And then finally, we set the expect multiple barcodes to true, meaning we anticipate multiple barcodes within the PDF. All right, so let's move on to the actual reading of the PDF. We use the barcode reader's read PDF method, passing in the path of the PDF file and our PDF options. And finally, we loop through all the barcodes and read from the PDF and print them to the console. So let's go ahead and run our project and wait for the output. So there you go. You can see on the console the various barcodes that it has read from the PDF file, and each line represents a unique barcode found in our document. And there you have it, folks. Now you know how to read barcodes from a PDF using IronBarcode. It's an extremely handy feature to have, so I hope you really like this video. All right, again, I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you like some more useful tips from Iron Software. And if you're interested, we have a trial subscription, and you can check out the power of the software yourself by clicking on the link in the description below.